Hello dear students, see here a revision portion of half reaction method for the balancing of the redox reaction, or you can say it is ionic method. Now we know that in this method, first of all we are supposed to find out the oxidation number of the given members or the given atoms of the molecule. MnO4 minus plus As2O3 when reacts they give Mn plus 2 plus AsO4 3 minus, and the medium is acidic. The very first is to calculate the oxidation number. I hope you would have understood now how to calculate, right? Oxygen we know it is minus 2, so 4 2s are 8 minus 8. When I'll take it on the side it will be minus 1 plus 8, so 8 minus 1 it will be 7. Mn oxidation number is 7. O minus 2, here also O will be minus 2, so 3 2s are 6, and 2x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 3 minus 2, Mn already plus 2 given over here, and here again we are in need to find out for the As, that is 5, oxygen minus 2. Now as soon as we find oxidation number, the next step is to find the increase and decrease in the oxidation number, and then we will identify whether it is oxidation half reaction or reduction half reaction. So here you see Mn plus 7. First of all we will see, other than oxygen and hydrogen, what are the metals present over here. So here plus 7 Mn2 plus 2, so it is plus 7 plus 2, it is reduced. So this is the reduction half reaction because decrease in oxidation number. Here you see it is As3 and here it is As5 increased. So increase in oxidation number, it is oxidation half reaction. Separate oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. So As2O3 gives AsO4 minus 3. I have separated oxidation half reaction. MnO4 minus gives Mn plus 2. I have separated reduction half reaction. Then the step is, after separating, we will have to balance the atoms and then rebalance the oxidation number. So here you see As2, here is only As, right? Here Mn, here Mn, so it is already balanced. But here it is 2, I will have to add coefficient 2 over here to make this As2. So this is now 2 As. This is 3 for As, so 2 times, so it is 3 2s are 6. Rebalance the oxidation number. Here it is 5 for 1 As, now it is 2 As, so 2 5s are 10. Here already as it is balanced, so 7 and 2. Now we will have to, after balancing the atom and rebalancing the oxidation number, find out the difference in the oxidation number. So 6 and 10. What is the difference? 10 minus 6, 4 is the difference. Here 7 minus 2, 5 is the difference. After getting the difference in the oxidation number, whatever difference we get, we have to add that much electrons. So find difference in oxidation number and add electrons as per the difference on the bigger side, of the oxidation number. So here I got 4. What is the 4 here? It is a difference, 10 minus 6, 4. So this is 4, I will add 4 electron on 10 side because 10 is bigger than 6. Here I will add 5 electron and on 7 side because 7 is bigger than 2. So same, right? As2O3 gives 2 As, O4 is 2 minus 3 plus 4 electron. Here 5 electron. After adding electron, we will have to find out charge difference. So here no charge 0, here 2 coefficient minus 3 charge, so 2 3s are minus 6, and here 4 minus electron, so minus 4. Minus 6 plus minus 4 on the same side, so add it. So minus minus plus 6 plus 4 10 minus 10. Here minus 5 minus 1 minus minus plus minus 6, and this is plus 2. After getting the charge, get the difference of the charge, right? So here it is 0, here it is 10. 0 minus minus 10, it will be plus 10. Here it is minus 6 minus plus 2. So minus plus minus, minus 6 minus 2 will be minus 8. So we will write only 8, we will write only 10. Now what to do? Whatever the difference of the electron charge is here, right? This was the difference of oxidation number. Here we got difference of the electron charge. This much number of hydrogen if acidic medium is to be added, and if basic medium, then OH is to be added. So again, what to keep here in a mind, when here it is acidic medium, then the difference in the electron charge is added on the bigger side. So here, now when considering bigger and smaller, don't consider the sign. So 10 hydrogen is to be added on the bigger. So 10 is the bigger and we will add on this side. Here 8 hydrogen is to be added, that is on minus 6. This is plus 2. As I told, now don't worry for this sign. So 6 is bigger than 2. So 8H plus will be added here. But if it is basic, then instead of H plus you will have to add 10 OH minus. But at that time 10 is bigger, so you will have to add OH minus on the opposite side. That is the only difference. After adding, here I will add 10H plus, here I will add 8H plus. After adding, you will have to make electrons balanced by multiplying the suitable multiple. Here I have 4 electron, here I have 5 electron. So I will multiply 4 by 5 and 5 by 4. So I will get 20 electron here, 20 electron here. So it will be cancelled. But not only electron, we will have to multiply whole half reactions. So here multiplying by 5, so it will be 5As2O3, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 and 5 10s are 50. In the same way here multiplied by 4, so 4 is a 32, 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Now we got this two half reactions. Let us write the redox reaction, oxidation and reduction. So first of all, copy the whole oxidation. Now here, afterwards also you can add H2O for the balance of hydrogen and oxygen, or here also you can add H2O. So how to add H2O? To equalize the 5 reaction, we will have to add H2O to balance hydrogen as well as OH minus. So here you see we have 50H plus on this side. So I will add 25H2O because 25 2s are 50H. Right? In the same way here 32H is there. So I will add here 16. 16 2s are 32. So 16H2O here, 25H2O. Now writing here both this reaction, what we will get? 25H2O plus 5As2O3, 10AsO4 minus, 20 electron plus 50H plus, and this reduction reaction 20 electron here 20 electron, both will be cancelled, balanced. 25H2O and 16H2O, so 25 minus 16. What I will get over here? 9H2O, and for H plus 50H plus, 32H plus, so 50, so 18H plus. So I will have 18H plus on this side, and the final reaction 9H2O, 5As2O3 plus 4MnO4 minus, 10AsO3 minus, 4Mn plus 2, 18H plus. So now we will have to check whether all are balanced or not. Here 5 2s are 10As, 10As, 4Mn, 4Mn. Now here 9 2s are 18H, here 18H, here 9 oxygen plus 5 3s are 15, 4 4s are 16. 15 plus 15, 30, 31 plus 9, 40. And here 10 4s are 40. All are balanced. Let us seek the charge. Here no charge. Here 4 minus. Now here 10 3s are 30 minus 30. 4 2s are 8 plus 8. Here 18 plus. Keep the addition here. 18 plus 8 plus 18, 26. And 30 minus 26 minus 4 and minus 4. Charge is also balanced. So this is how you can do oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction, that is ionic method, or we can say half reaction method for balancing the redox reaction, right? So take care while adding H plus and OH minus. If it is acidic, add H plus on the bigger number of the charge, and if OH minus, add it on the opposite side. That means if bigger number is here 6, then you will have to add it on 2. Here bigger number is 10, then you will have to add it on the 0 side. Opposite side you will have to add OH minus. While adding H plus and OH minus, don't bother for negative sign. Only see the numeral value and find out which one is the bigger and smaller thing. Right? Now see, the same reaction is again done over here in the oxidation number method. This is little simple method than the half reaction method. Right? Here also what we will see here. First of all, the very first step is the similar, find out the oxidation number. After getting oxidation number, what we will have to do here, you will just balance the atom. So balance the atom, here Mn same, but here As2 and here As. So this is to be balanced to As. Now 7 as it is, but here 3 2s are 6, here 2 as it is, here 5 2s are 10. Rebalance the oxidation number and now find out increase and decrease. So 7 to 2 decrease by 5, here 6 to 10 increase by 4. Now here only we will make the increase and decrease of the oxidation number equal by multiplying with the multiple. So 4 is multiplied by 5 and 5 is multiplied by 4, and thus it will be 5 4s are 20 and 4 5s are 20. So this whole reaction MnO4 minus gives Mn plus 2 is multiplied by 4. So see here 4 MnO4 minus gives 4 Mn plus 2, and this As2O3 to AsO43 minus will be multiplied by 5. So here 5 As2O3 and this is 5 plus 10 AsO43 minus. Now what we will see, we will have to write down the charge 4 minus 0. So minus 4 plus 0 minus 4 here. Here 4 2s are plus 8, 10 3s are minus 30, plus minus 30. So plus minus minus 30 minus 8 22. This is minus 4, this is minus 22. Difference is minus minus plus 22 minus 4. So difference will be 18. Now as we know it is acidic medium, we will have to add H plus. How many H plus I will have to add? 18 H plus I will have to add. I will add 18 H plus on the bigger number. Now we will not see here minus sign. Only we will see 4 and 22. So 22 being greater than 4 without sign, then 18 plus is to be added on that side. But if it is to be added OH minus, then we will not add it on the bigger side opposite to it. So it will be on the 4 side. So 18H plus is added over here. Now add water molecule to balance hydrogen. So 18H, so 9 2s are 18, H2O. Balance the reaction and we will get, see here we got 9H2O, 9H2O, right? 4 MnO4 minus, 4 MnO5 minus, 5 As2O3, 5 As2O3, 10 AsO43 minus, same, 4 Mn plus 2, same, and 18H plus. So this is how we are getting the balanced reaction by oxidation number method. Once again, keep in mind, while adding H plus, you will have to see bigger number. On that side you will add. On adding OH minus, you will have to add it on the opposite side of the bigger number, right? While adding H plus OH minus, need not worry for this sign. See only the numerical value, right? So take care for this, and this is how you are able to balance the redox reaction by oxidation number method. Thank you.